Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js Sequelize. Today we are going to learn about the model hook lifecycle hooks in Sequelize Node.js example. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Sequelize provides model hooks, lifecycle hooks that allows you to execute custom logic at the various stages of a model's lifecycle, such as before, after, creating, updating, deleting, or finding records. So we are going to learn in this video what exactly the model hooks. Okay, so let's see how we can implement that one. So first of all, we are going to install our MySQL 2 with the Node.js npm package. Then we are going to update the code, right? So let's update the code. So first of all, the connection. This is the connection part, right? So Sequelize allows defining hooks such as before create, after create, before update, after update, and before destroy, and many more. Right. So this first of all, let's do the connection part. Okay. So let's go to the term our code base. Just hide it. Okay. So I'm going to create a new folder, or I'm going to do this server.js. Previous, I'm going to just close this. Okay, I'm going to paste it. First of all, the server connection, so I need to add the Sequelize if it is not there. So npm I Sequelize MySQL 2 also we require. So first of all, let's install this. Okay, after that we have to go with the model. So this is our model which has some of the fields, that is name, email, password is active. Okay, and the model name is user, and these are all the hooks. Before create hook, that is the password. Okay, so simulate the password hashing. Now we have after create hook user, that the user has been created after the user created, and it is before one. Before update, if you want to update, so this hook will trigger. Let's see how the things goes on. Okay, so this is all the things for the model part. So let's add this. Okay, so here I'm going to add it, right? Save this. What else we have? So this is the hook, and here we have sync the database, create the tables if not exists. Okay, so this is what it's done. Now using the hooks in the CRUD operation, so let's create, update and delete the users while triggering the hooks. So this is the function, and this is how we are going to use it. Okay, so our test hooks, right? So let's add this function. Okay, so word wrap this. Okay, so test hook will run, right? After this, use cases, hashing passwords before saving a user, that is very important. Logging changes before updating. Okay, performing cleanup before deleting a records, before destroy. Email notification after the user sign up, after create. So these are the use cases of that hook. Let's see. Okay, so this is the code full-fledged, and first of all let's run it, then we will check. Okay, so I think change the credentials. Okay, so database name, let's go and just check. We have a local host, I suppose, local host slash php admin, I suppose it should be there. Admin. Okay, I don't know the password, it is correct. User denied. It's admin. I think it's admin, I suppose. Let me check again. Still, it's not working. Let me check. It's not working. Admin. User access denied. So which password I have given to them? Just let me check, because I remember somewhere Just give me a 1 minute. I need to just check the passwords where I have set it. Okay, just 1 minute. Now I get the password. I think the username is wrong every time. I just forgot. It's a root, and it's the password is the same. Now it's logged in. Okay, so I will go with my MySQL DB one. Okay, let's go back and let's create a new one. That is Sequelize. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Control C, save this. Okay, I'm going to use that one. Database name is this one. Username that is root. Password that is admin. Okay, and this is our logging. It's set the true if you want to log the SQL queries. Okay, so make it true if you want to log it. Right. Okay, this is done. Now check the connection, that is the connection connected or not. Okay, this is a model that will create the tables in our database with the required fields. Okay, and these are the hooks that we have created. Okay, after that we go with the sync the database, create the tables if not exist. So Sequelize.sync will do that one, force true. So create that table if not exist. Then we have a function that is test hooks where we are creating the new user. Okay, so that the user created. So after this create a new user triggers before create and after create hook. Okay, so in that one we have hashed the passwords. Okay, and next we have the user created user.json, then update user triggers before update and after update. That will come under the console. Let's see. Okay, and delete the user triggers before destroy and after destroy. If you want to do some kind of events before or after, you can use that hooks. Okay, and then we're calling this test hooks. Done. Let's run this. Node server.js. Right, just hit enter. So database created, user created. Okay, so everything logs we have, right? So let's go step by step. Okay, so here we have, so this is the log for all the database create table if the user not exist. Okay, so here we go with currently user table is there. Okay, and the data is also there. Data is not there. SQL command, as we haven't inserted, I guess, or what. We have update everything. Just check. User created. Okay, let's go and just check, but there is no users currently. Don't know why, but the table is created. Let's see, we will check. Okay, maybe there is a users caps or something, there is an issue, we will figure out. First of all, let's see what they have done. Okay, so create a new user. So let's go step by step. So before creating a hook, hashing the password for the John Doe. Okay, so this is first before creation of the user, it is logged, right? Then after create hook, that user John Doe has been created successfully, user created, right? And this is the password hashed. Okay, before update hook, updating the user John, execute that, set the name, they updated at this one. Okay, then after hook update, John updated. Then before delete. Okay, so here you can see that we have added the delete user also. So that's the reason running all the things and it is deleted also, right? After delete hook, user John user updated has been deleted, right? So this is the process, you can see that. So whenever you do such kind of hooks, before or after, if you have some requirements in the Sequelize, you can must do use that one. Okay, so this is very important, right? So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.